Hey there, so here's American Idol app. So this is the official app for the show from ABC Digital. So the size is 85 megabytes and it's a free app, so you can just go to the App Store and download it. You just need to have 85 megabytes of free storage. And there you have it. So this is the app. You can get the latest clips, watch auditions, and then of course the main feature is that you can vote for your favorite contestants. So that's that. So let's try to open it up. So here is the app. And then you need to create an account, or you can choose to create an account later and choose notifications. Maybe notifications can be helpful to know when the voting starts and all of that. So there you have it.